Mary, someone just called. A guest lost a bag. She left it in room 204.
Okay. Did she say what is inside?
Yes, she said there is a red wallet, a phone charger, and a small notebook.
I see. Let me check our lost and found box.
Please hurry. She is at the front desk right now.
John, I found a red wallet and a charger, but I don't see a notebook.
Are you sure? She said the notebook is very important.
Yes, I checked 2 times. No notebook.
Okay, let me call housekeeping. Maybe they found it in the room.
Good idea. I will stay here with the guest.
Hello, this is John from the front desk. Did anyone find a notebook in room 204?
John, what did they say?
Good news. The housekeeper found it under the bed.
Oh, perfect. I will tell the guest right now.
Great. Please put everything in a bag for her.
Of course. Should I ask her to sign the lost and found form?
Yes, always. It is our hotel policy.
Understood. I will do that now.
Thank you, Mary. You handled this very well.
Thank you, John. Teamwork makes everything easier.